how to change Microsoft account password. So if you want to change your Microsoft account password, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser and then go with the Microsoft, and here you can go with www.microsoft.com and go with sign in, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, go with the profile, which is on the upper right, and go with my Microsoft account. Now, once you're under this, you need to simply go with the upper right, which has change password option. Click on that, and you just need to simply go with send code, and it will just send the code to your mail address. So you just need to simply go with your Gmail, and you'll receive a code. You need to simply copy the code and then paste it right here. Go with sign in, and it will take you to this kind of interface from where you can change your password. So enter your current password and then enter your new password, and again confirm your new password and go with save. And after saving, your password will be changed. So that's how you can change your Microsoft account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.